Hi friends, welcome to the TRENDRIDER channel supported by Vakrangee.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Vakrangee Limited. Vakrangee is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart of Vakrangee. Here, each candle represents 1 month. Sorry. And these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, I am taking this particular point as origin. From June 2015 onwards, it is very clear that the stock started moving in the upward direction from this point and continuously making new highs. This is new high 1, 2, and that's it. I mean, actually, after that, a small new high which is lower than the previous high, and after that, the stock started moving in upward direction. It's a straight up, and this journey started in August 2016, and still it is continuing right now. And you see this big candle here. This candle represents this month. Okay, November month candle. In the November month itself, the stock has given literally 200, 160, 170 rupees profit per share profit to its investors. And in 2017, it was the stock was trading at 272, and now it is 711. So even if you take 300, it is like 400, and it's nearly 450 rupees. Around 450 rupees profit per share to its investors. The stock has given to its investors in this year itself, and still it is November, and December is still there. So that is the potential of the stock. That is the potential. I mean, of this particular stock. Okay. Now this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the intense of positive support trend mode, which is very good. And relative strength of the stock is quite high. Actually, it is making a it is already making a nice slope on top of the 80 line, and the slope angle of the slope is also increasing. Okay, and the directional strength of the stock is rising, and both the positive and negative directional lines are creating huge space between them. Actually, they are diverging and creating huge space between them. Good. Stochastics. If you look at the stochastics, the both lines are playing on top of the 80 line, and the positive line is on top of the slow line, which is good. And this is what this clearly indicates the positive trend that is happening here. And price volume change and balance of power both are in sync with each other. Price volume change is rising, and balance of power and elder both are in sync with each other, and they are saying that the stock is right now in bullish phase. Actually, price of because the volume is also increasing at the same time, so all three are in sync with each other. Kopak curve is clearly showing that the stock is in buy zone. It's a wonderful stock, it seems. I mean, it's like you see this straight up. This itself says so many things. The potential of the stock and the wonders that it can create in the nearby future. So I think, guys, I mean, after seeing all these indicators and the guiding parts of the indicators, I feel like this stock is can be considered for long-term investment, and I think this is the right time to invest in this stock. People who had already invested have got benefited in multiple. I mean, got benefited in a huge manner. So people who had not invested so far, I think this is the right time. Don't miss the bus. So this is the thing. The conclusion is this stock can be considered for long-term investment. So this is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.